Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Align Plans. I'm so glad that you are here. So today, as you can tell by the title and of course by the box, we are finally unboxing the cloth and paper September. Is it September? August. It's going to be the August box. I finally received it. I did open it. I did not cheat. So finally, the massive delay is over and we get to unbox this guy and we get to kind of dive right in, and I will give you some of my thoughts and some of my feedback of how we can potentially use some of these things, and some of it will probably end up in my planner. I'm not even going to lie. So if that sounds good, then just stay tuned and let's dive right into the video. And of course, if this is the first time that we're meeting and we've never met before, hello, my name is Meshi and I'm the person behind Align Plans. And we hang out at least twice a week on this channel. We talk about anything and everything, minimalist planning and journaling and all of the good things. So if that sounds good, you would probably really enjoy hanging out with me here. The idea is for us to learn how we can use these beautiful tools in the most intentional way, where it's not just collecting dust and we're not just hoarding things. So, you know, let's dive in. Okay, let's open this guy up. Okay, let's just open this guy up, see what is all that is included. Obviously this section is empty. And let's get rid of the box because we're not going to need it. Okay, cool. So here's a full overview of what you actually receive. So you get a Novella Dashboard Duo, an everyday carry-all, which we're looking at right here. Then you also get Bibliophile insert bundle. Oh, I can't wait to dive into that. A read sticky note, some journaling cards, and then a highlighter set. And we're also looking at the October monthly insert. This is the vertical weekly Sunday start for October. Okay, very good. Let me zoom you in. Hopefully the lights are not too bright. Let's adjust just like a little bit. Okay, so this is nothing new. We've gone through this insert before. It's the exact same one that I'm currently using in my journal, so I will be uploading that. I wanted to actually start with the highlighter set because I was just so curious. So this is a double head highlighter set. Let's just unpack it. And for reference, I think we can use, let's get you zoomed in. I think for reference, we can actually just use a little memo pad and go through all. Ooh, this is so cool. Okay, let's see. This honestly reminds me of the mild liners, but how unique is this tip, right? Oh, very beautiful. Looks like that's like a dark, cool toned blue. Very similar, so this is like a dark, cool toned gray. Lighter green. Oh no. Oh no. What happened? Okay, well wow. So the tip legit broke off of the brown. Okay, so right off the bat with the brown, I don't know if mine's just like this entire kind of outer tip completely flicked off, but anyway. Overall, really pretty colors, very muted neutrals. Okay, let's take a look at, I wanted to see these read sticky notes. I think that these are going to be really awesome to both keep in your planner as well as Super cute. So you have like the date, the page number, thoughts on it. You can write down the author. So this would be kind of nice, almost like a review type of thing, or something that will kind of help you remember like where we're at or what made things more memorable. This is stunning. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's open her up. So it looks like it's two. So on one hand, you have like an embossed dashboard that says novella. And then, oh, this is so pretty. And then we have like these small little, what are you called? These small little page flags. One that says, do not forget, noted, and then almost like a marble. Very cute. And I wanted to open this guy up, see what this is all about. So I feel like this is sort of like an expansion of, I believe, last month's box in a way, where, remember where we had like the pencil case? I wonder, you know what? Does this go into that? So this is like a carry-all. Plan on the go with our everyday carry-all. This pouch features multiple layers and pockets made to fit your daily essentials. You know what? This legitimately reminds me of, not quite as excessive as what I have here with, okay, I feel like the lights need to be bumped up. Here we go. So this is what I'm using currently for journaling purposes. So this is sort of like a smaller version of that, where you can kind of add like different, basically all of your, all of the things that you wanted to kind of use for planning. And then I think that this is something, oh, very cute. So you can put like your little page flags and everything in here. I feel like really cloth and paper definitely hooks you up for sure, because really all of the things that I have, even in that clear, remember that clear folder that we had a while back? I'm trying to find it so I can show it to you. I found it. So remember when we had this thing, and then you can kind of fill it with whatever, but I feel like sometimes all you need is a few spotlight page flags, or just a few cards. Like, you don't necessarily want to carry this with you all the time. So having something small and compact is definitely a way to go. I feel like you can just kind of put this in, let it get organized. Very cute. I really like this actually. I didn't think I would, because I'm kind of, partially I'm a little bit over all of the holders because it gets excessive, but I think that this would be really functional when you're on the go. Okay, let's take a look at the actual insert. I was really curious to find out what this is all about. I'm not guaranteeing that I will keep it, but you know, it's always interesting to check it out. Okay, actually, let me move some things around so you guys can see. Here we go. Let's move the pens. I feel like, okay, so you have a reading log. You have a couple of reading logs. Monthly reads, book log, where you can do like a full review. I will show you guys a close-up of this, but basically the top section, you have title, synopsis, author, what genre it is. Then you have like the page, like you can kind of keep track of the page, and you can do like a small little review. This literally reminds me of something that you would create. Some people would do that within journaling when they have like an actual like media journal or like a book journal, where all they do is kind of review it. And this is just organized like really clearly, really precisely. And this goes on for quite a while sometimes. Okay, here we go. And then you also have a few pages of an index where you have moment. Okay, so I think that this would be really nice as like combined together with your, not only what you're reading on a monthly basis, but then almost like a review and then what you kind of wanted to remember about that. Very cool. Very thoughtful altogether. I really like this. This is great if you have like a lot of books on the go, or you didn't want to like journal specifically about that, but then it's almost like some of these inserts that we're receiving right now in the sub boxes are definitely shifting towards allowing your planner to not just be a planner, but essentially a journal where you're able to kind of keep track of certain things, and you don't have to have like multiple journals and planners at the same time. You can just kind of keep it compact in one place. At least that's the hope. That's kind of what I'm kind of seeing just from a bird's eye view. And then you have a section for index, which we kind of covered. Then you have vocabulary. I'm not sure where I would be using vocabulary, but I guess like if you're, I don't know, if you're like reading a novel or something that has like special vocabulary and you want to kind of keep track of that, that would be a place to go. This is fantastic for absolute book lovers. I think that this is wonderful. And let me see what else came. Okay, let me open this guy with the journal cards. So obviously you have the October card, then we have a couple of journal cards. What I will do is I will literally just show you guys a close-up of each so that you can kind of see them and take a look. They're very cute, I have to say. Like, look how cute this is. I mean, honestly, I can't complain with Cloth and Paper. They always do such an awesome job with their journaling cards and like all of these cute little accessories. Like they know how to make it look really amazing and very posh and chic. I think that would be like one way that I would describe every single box, is just very well thought out and overall just very chic. If you wanted your planner supplies to look chic, then you know you would definitely invest in Cloth and Paper. I love this. This is so cute. And it's so small and compact. Okay, this is all I wanted to share with you for now. I'm not really going to dive into like the how to use it, because it really, I think that with this guy, you can kind of use it within each. I see this as leaving this by the front of the books that you wanted to read, because in a way you can kind of write about sections of, like, it's almost like a reminder of why is that like memorable. I don't see us using the inserts that way, but having like small little sticky notes and stuff, I think that would be really awesome way of kind of keeping track of where you left off and you know what you read about. Especially if you have multiple books on the go, then that would be definitely a way to go. This is all I wanted to share with you. Let me know, question of the day as usual. Let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite item from this box. And of course, hopefully by this point you have received it, as we're moving closer to, you know, having the September box shipped out. Hopefully it's not going to be nearly as long of a wait as the August box was, but I mean, you know, things like that come up, so there's not much we can do about it. That's all I got. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Follow me on Insta if you're not currently already. I'll leave the handle right on the screen so you can check that out. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, then you can support the channel by subscribing, hitting the notification bell so you get, you know, notified every time I upload a new video. And just keep journaling, you guys. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video.